Hi, I'm cooking with Nancy's channel. Now, I put in some olive oil and I used 3 cloves of garlic crushed and chopped, and I fried it. And then later, I put in my whole packet of the flat rice sheet noodles and I fried it by adding 1 packet of this preserved vegetable with black fungus, and I give it a stir until the noodles are nice and cooked, nice and tender. And then later on I put in Himalayan salt, this wonderful Himalayan pink salt into it, like 4 pinch of it, quite a generous pinch actually. And then I put in some soy sauce at the end, and I sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on top and some chopped parsley, and it's ready to go. So I can serve this to eat with my other dishes, like if you have chicken or fish, you can eat it with that. This is the main carbohydrate. Instead of eating rice, this takes the place of rice, of plain rice, but this is more tasty, of course. So for people who are vegetarian and can eat eggs, you actually can crack an egg and fry into this, and you have a beautiful vegetarian dish. So you can add all kind of sauces or chili sauce as you like, or even fresh chopped chili. Okay, please like this video and please subscribe for more to come, and share. I thank you all so much for watching. I'm Nancy from Cooking with Nancy's channel. Bye for now. Have a nice day.